Hello friend, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be discuss new topic, that is OpenShot Video Editor, which is very useful for the beginner who want to edit video audio in OpenShot. So let's see. First search OpenShot in Google, then go to the download. Then select the OS and start downloading. I have already downloaded, so I'm not downloading it right now because it take more time. Friend, after installation, you can see this page of OpenShot Video Editor. So in this page, there is some file, edit, title, view, this option. In file, we can create new project, open project, or save project, import file into the OpenShot editor from your PC or laptop. Export file, you can export file once we done editing. In title, we can create the multiple template like that. This multiple template available, we can use that. Then in view, there is a full screen view, then simple advanced view, or bridge existing view. We can do that. Then there is transition. In that we can make transition on the video using this effect. So let's see how to input file into the OpenShot Video Editor. So we can take the file into project files. Then there is a tracks available from 1 to 5. We can select any one. Then once we place the video on the track, we can preview of that. We can see that by placing it. We want to adjust the view, we can do that. Okay. We can from this we can go to start of the video, and if we want to place the image on the video, we can do that. We have to place the image on the track 2. Then we can adjust the image. Let's start. Then in this way we can edit video in OpenShot. Then once we finish the editing, we can export the video. select the path on we want to select file. Slowly placing it on desktop. Then file format, keep it as it is, all formats. Then target CPU MP4 H.264, it will be standard format. And video profile HD 270 30 fps 1280 into 720. Keep it high quality. Then export that. It will be completed, done. Then we can check that video. So you can see that video will be edited. So in this way we can edit the video in OpenShot Editor. Hope this video find you useful. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to the channel.